You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, originally from French. So we're going to look at how it's pronounced in French and in English. If you want to learn more music vocabulary, stay tuned. Estampie is the French pronunciation here. Estampie. In English, you can say it as estampie. There's no stress on any particular syllable. In French, all syllables are of equal weight or stress emphasized. So estampie. In English, estampie. Stress maybe a little bit on the last one in English, estampie. That's it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.